IC simulators are high-end virtual reality simulators for training of eye specialists. The product portfolio ranges from training simulators for intraocular surgery through to slit lamp examinations and ophthalmoscopy. With IC simulators, students can experience a wide range of pathologies before they meet their first real patient. High-end simulation of patient eyes allows for a highly immersive training experience. IC simulators offer a lifelike training environment with true to original devices. All IC simulators offer an embedded curriculum and detailed evaluation of the trainee's performance. The diagnostic simulators are designed to train both proper device handling and making diagnoses. The simulated patient eyes are based on real patient histories and have been developed in close cooperation with university eye clinics. To go into detail on the simulator's features, we will focus on the IC Surgical Simulator. IC Surgical is a training simulator for both cataract and vitreoretinal surgery training. Original instrument handpieces are inserted into the simulator's model eye. Looking through an OR microscope, trainees experience their interaction with tissue and intraocular structures simulated in real time. The pre-installed IC courseware offers training at different levels of difficulty, from basic skills training through to surgical procedures and complications management. For cataract surgery training, instruments such as forceps, viscocannula, cystotome, and phacoprobe are available. The simulator provides an OR machine interface and instrument foot pedal to control fluidics. For training of posterior segment surgery, IC is equipped with a vitreoretinal interface. The integrated biome mimics functions just like a real wide-angle viewing system. Trainees must select appropriate OR machine parameters in order to safely and effectively complete a surgical procedure. During virtual surgery, instruments such as light probe, cannula, endolaser, and vitractor are available. At the end of each task, IC provides a detailed assessment of the surgical performance. The quality of the simulation in a side-by-side comparison. You see the real eye on the left and the simulation on the right-hand side. Since 2003, more than 60 studies have been conducted on IC simulators, from examining construct validity of the simulator and of specific training modules, through to the transfer of skills to the OR. McCannell et al. Compared more than 1,000 consecutive capsulorhexis performed by residents over a period of 4 years. Years 1 and 2 residents did not have a simulator. Years 3 and 4 residents were prepared with IC training. The number of errant capsularhexes turned out to be 68% lower in the group that had trained on the simulator. Ferris et al. Investigated nearly 18,000 cataract operations in the UK over a period of 8 years, performed by residents in the first and second year of training. They found a 38% reduction of capsule tears in cataract operations by residents who had trained on IC Surgical. According to the authors, the estimated cost savings for the investigated reduction of an average of 280 capsule tears per year added up to €600,000. By means of 7 IC cataract training modules, Thompson et al. Showed significant discriminative ability between the novices and experienced surgeons. Subsequently, the 7 validated IC modules have been established as a performance test for assessing both cataract surgical and general microsurgical skills of residents at Glostrup University Hospital, Copenhagen, Denmark. To be able to compare performance data, a standardized curriculum is crucial. All IC simulators feature an embedded curriculum. The courses are organized in tiers with ascending levels of difficulty. For example, first-year residents start their cataract training with tier Cat A of the cataract courseware. By means of abstract scenarios, residents learn basic microsurgical skills and proper use of microscope and OR machine settings. As they proceed, tasks get more and more demanding. Tier B introduces basic steps of the capsular excess. Tier C features multi-step surgical tasks. And Tier D challenges trainees with complications, such as anterior vitrectomy, floppy iris syndrome, or handling a milky white cataract. The detailed evaluation and feedback provided by the IC simulator allows trainees to hone their skills systematically. To ensure a reliable skill level, trainees need to reach a given score for each task 3 times in a row before proceeding to the next task. The evidence-based performance assessment gives both educators and residents confidence in surgical abilities before they enter the OR. Since 2018, simulators can be networked. The anonymized training data on networked simulators can be analyzed for peer group comparisons across institutions and countries. On networked simulators, trainees can view their own surgical performance compared to other IC users after each task. VRMNet offers educators tools for easy administration and for monitoring their residents' progress. Educators can create user accounts simply by uploading a list of residents. Residents receive an automatic email with their login credentials for VRMNet and the simulator. Configurable notifications and reports keep educators informed on their students' progress. Training data can be analyzed online down to the last detail. The medical online courses provide theoretical background information enriched with videos, images, and multiple-choice tests. Residents have access to a personalized VRMNet dashboard displaying their current training status and online courses. An orientation course with step-by-step videos brings users up to speed quickly on correct and safe simulator usage before using the simulator for the first time. Users can access VRMNet from any PC or mobile device.